Oh yeah, this thing coming out clean again, boy. Like it's brand new out the box, almost. Set that thing right there. Shit, this thing stink. I don't know about, is it just me? I don't like the smell of this though. I don't know if I might need to have a respirator on or something. What's going on, y'all? Hey, listen, today I'm back with a my PSA dagger. This is a 500 or 600 rounds review. As you guys seen in my videos, I have been shooting the PSA dagger where I was actually trying to hit 25 yards out. I did pretty all right with it. I want to see how dirty it looks inside after between 500 and 600 rounds. All right, so let's take a look inside. It is clear. Let's double check. There's nothing in the slide. Due to the restrictions of YouTube, I won't be able to show you how you guys can take it apart, but it's like a Glock. So it's where you pull the slide back. You have the two pins right here. You pull the pins down. You release the slide. Pull the trigger, push forward, and this whole thing's come out. All right, so let me go do that so I can show you guys what the inside of this gun looks like after 500 to 600 rounds. All right, y'all, I'm back. Here you go. 500-600 rounds. This thing looks pretty dirty, man. But you know, it's very expected to be dirty because even though 500 or 600, it's in a lot of rounds, but you know. Take a look at that. Let's take the spring apart. Actually, let me do that off camera. I'm gonna take the rod out. Yeah. So, as you can see, this thing is pretty dirty. It's gunked up on the slides. Well, not gunked up, but see here. Do this here. Look, run my finger through it. Oh yeah. Yeah. So the slide looks a little dirty. The barrel looks a little dirty as well. The spring looks alright. It's still a little dirty too, but. In the lower, yeah, well, if you can see, I don't know if you can see or not, but got a lot of, look at that, got a lot of build-up powder. So, all right, let me show you guys what I do real quick. Of course, I ain't got no claws or nothing like that. Yeah, I got an old t-shirt, an old white t-shirt that I spread out, you know what I mean? Ain't about nothing. Of course, as y'all know, if y'all seen my last cleaning videos, this is what I use. 2-in-1, right? I don't need 2 cans. This right here do 2 things at one time. Okay, take it easy. Let's go. I'll spray that a little bit. Set that thing right there. Shit, this thing stink. I don't know about, is it just me? I don't like the smell of this though. This thing pretty small. I don't know if I might need to have a respirator on or something. I was joking. Alright. But I don't know. I might be not joking. This thing is something crazy. Anyway, I'm spraying in here a little bit so I can let it sit. Then I'll let it pretty much just sit for a minute. Then I'll scrub it apart. This is the barrel. I'm gonna spray a little bit in the barrel. I like to spray it so that it just runs out. Spray it from one side and it runs out the other side. All right. Spray the spring a little bit. Let's cover this back. And normally, when I wait till that sits a little bit, I don't know. I might go play a couple rounds of a Call of Duty or something like that, you know what I mean? Just to, you know, kill time, you know, make time go through and all that or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Kill time, but let me act like I did a couple, like, 2 or 3 games of COD. And it's not cash on delivery, it's Call of Duty, alright? If you know, you know. But anyway, Let it sit right quick. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. See? I played 3 rounds of COD, and I lost every round. I ain't that good at COD. I ain't that good. I'm just great.
Stop the cap.
Psych. Anyway, enough of the video games, man. Let's get back to this realistic, you know what I'm saying? Real reality, you know what I'm saying? The reality is I suck at COD, but whatever. Anyway, y'all, as I can see, I got the little ghetto fabric little here, right? So what I like to do is here go the slide. I like to slide it from the back out to the front, so I can get anything, all that gunk up that's in the slide. Man, look at that, man. Dang. I mean, you want to be careful. I don't want to start banging around in the slide all crazy. You know what I'm saying? So, that's what I do here. Look, I like to twist the rod as I'm sliding it through. Now, I don't think this is necessary. This might be overkill. Wrong words, y'all. Over cleaning. You know, that was a figure of speech, you alright? Yeah, anyway. So, yeah, man. I don't think I can see in there or whatever, but, yeah, that thing look polished up, real husky. Alright, so let's just grab this, this dirty slide. Dang, this thing dirty. I'll just show y'all right quick. Look at that, bro. That's 500 to 600 rounds of gunpowder. And by the way, man, yeah, I shot 500 to 600 rounds in this. Not one malfunction. I'm going to keep it a bean with y'all. I'm going to keep it 100, all right? As they say. Meaning, I'm going to be honest, all right? For those who don't speak that slang. But look at this, man. No malfunctions, no stovepipes, no failure to feed. Nothing, man. Nothing at all. Nothing at all, y'all. This gun so far, even though it's only 500 to 600 rounds, I'm like breaking the gun in at that point, right? But still, I've shot a couple guns, a few guns where 100 rounds and the thing was jamming. So, 500 to 600, I think it's pretty much like the break-in end point. You can see this has a little like wear and tear, like this a little slightly discoloration in the slide, in the front, but that's just the holster. As I draw and reholster. Other than that, looks pretty good though, y'all. Hopefully I'm not breathing like a fat bull. Well, I am a little coquito. Yeah, I'm a little chubby. Well, I like to say I'm chubby, but I'm probably fat, y'all. But it's alright though. It's alright though. You know what I'm saying? All that is that I got a little gut, so my gun stays tucked. Yeah. Who know that? Yo, who know where that little hook is from? What song? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, Craig. Anyway, enough of that, man. I'm like finessing that job too much right there. As you can see, I will grab another shirt. Rag. I said shirt. Boy, it came from a shirt. Got him. Another rag. But now, the rag, man. Really? Keep it right here. We está bien, you know what I mean? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that right there. Put that right there, man. Okay? Now I grab another little rag that came from a shirt, you heard? Look at this thing here, boy. Oh yeah. This thing coming out clean again, boy. Like it's brand new out the box, almost. So anyway, y'all, this is what I do. That's what I clean it with. Birchwood, synthetic gun oil, lube, and cleans at the same time. That's what I clean all my pistols with and my rifles with. I don't know if that's if it's the right oil or cleaning supply. for ARs or any type of rifle, but that's what I use, y'all. So if I'm doing the wrong thing, let me know, man. But I've been using the same thing for as long as I can remember, man, and my guns still work. So and my rifles. So I might be doing the right thing. I don't know. I ain't gonna clean this too much because I plan to go out to the range real soon. Or y'all be seeing me shoot this again. This is a little gun X-rated part that I normally don't show, but we're all adults, right? Keeping it PG-13. All I'm trying to do is get in there where the magazine go at. You know what I mean? I'm gonna also do a video where I'm showing y'all. I don't normally clean my magazines, but sorry y'all. That's my dog in the background. You know what I'm saying? She wanted to come out in the video. She wanted to mess my video up with the. It's all good. But anyway, y'all. What y'all think? What y'all think? A little wear and tear. 500-600 rounds. Pretty good. Put a little grip on it, as y'all seen in the video. Amazon. I may or may not need this grip. Fits pretty good though, like cheap grip. I think it comes in a pack of 3 for under $30, something like that. So that's how I clean my gun, y'all. Also, I put a little bit on this feed ramp here and make sure that stays clean. I want all the rounds having no problems feeding on this ramp. You know what I'm talking about? Keep that thing real nice and smooth. As far as the slide, I make sure the slide, like the inner part in this little crease here, where it actually slides on this, make sure that stays clean of debris as well, and like gunpowder. So when the gun slides, has no issue. Look at that. Dang! That's what I'm talking about, man. After a while, this thing starts gunking up. And then that's when your slide won't actually slide all the way. Then you get stoves, you know, then you get stoves top. Is it called stove top? Yeah, stove top. Stovepipe? Stovepipe. I said stove top. Isn't that the rice or something that come in the box? I don't even know what I be talking about half the time, y'all. My bad. But I know that. Boy, that thing dirty. Anyway, I'm going to finish up here. I ain't going to hold you any much longer. I just want to give you a quick little update on the PSA dagger after 500 or 600 rounds. Pretty good purchase. Under $300, like I told you in my last video. Glock clone. Yeah. I say so, man. I say it definitely is. For under $300, you cannot beat it. Would I rely on this gun? So far, yeah. I would rely on this gun. Definitely. So, all right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Share my video if possible. Leave me a comment, negative, positive. Don't matter to me. Tell me what y'all think, all right? If you have any comments or anything like that, or y'all want to tell me of the wrong information that I shared with y'all today, let me know too, all right? I don't know everything, all right? All right, y'all. Peace.